Good morning, student. Today I am starting with the adrenal gland. Adrenal gland is a endocrine gland. It is endocrine is the nature of the adrenal gland. Adrenal gland located above the kidney. It is located above the kidney. Adrenal gland consists of two parts. First one is the medulla. Second one is the cortex. From medulla part of adrenal gland release the adrenaline, which another name is epinephrine or flight or fight hormone or emergency hormone, and cortex release the cortisone hormone. Adrenaline hormone is called emergency hormone because this hormone prepare our body against the environmental stress. This environmental stress may be the excess heat stress. This may be the excess heat, excess cold, and any kind of stimulus which our body receive as a stress or not suitable for our body. So this is called the adverse condition or the environmental stress for our body or emergency situation. And on that time adrenaline hormone secreted from the medulla part of the adrenal gland and prepare our body to fight with the situation by increasing our heartbeat, blood circulation, pumping of blood, even increase our blood pressure. Sometimes we feel the sweating, sometimes shivering our legs. These are actually all the sign of the secretion of adrenaline hormone in our body. So function of adrenaline hormone to regulate or prepare our body from the emergency situation. Second hormone is the cortisone hormone. Cortisone hormone main function balance salt and water in our body because these two important things basically help to the transmit of impulse to our brain. That's why it is important to maintain the which is called the osmoregulation and the salt water balance in our body. Am I clear? Okay. Next one is the pancreas. Pancreas is a mixed gland. It's a mixed gland, not it is endocrine gland, or another name is heterocrine gland. Heterocrine gland means those have the both nature, either exocrine behavior and endocrine behavior. Pancreas is mixed gland because it releases the pancreatic juice as the behaving the exocrine nature through the ducts to the small intestine and release hormone insulin and glucagon, which is directly diffused in the blood as a endocrine nature. In pancreas, three kinds of cells, cluster of cells or the group of cells are present: alpha cells, beta cells and delta cells. These three kinds cells clusters are called isolates of Langerhans. Alpha cells of isolates of Langerhans, beta cells of isolates of Langerhans, and delta cells of isolates of Langerhans. These cells group release the specific hormone. In your syllabus, insulin and glucagon is given. Insulin secretes from the beta cells of isolates of Langerhans, and glucagon secretes from the alpha cells of isolates of Langerhans. What is the function of insulin? Insulin basically perform to maintain the glucose level in our blood by breaking the glucose. So insulin breaks glucose in glycogen and store in liver and muscle cell. and glucagon work reverse of the insulin or against the insulin. It's split the glycogen again into insulin and increase the glucose level in the blood. Insulin break down the glucose which is excess above the normal limits, excess present in our blood, into glycogen and store it in the liver and muscle cells. But glucagon work on the glycogen and split it into glucose and increase the sugar level in the blood. So what you prepare from here? The location of the both gland, pancreas and adrenal. In pancreas, types of blood cells, from which hormones are secreted and their functions. I will send you in my next video, in my next class, your homework you will write from there. Okay, and these two topics you read from your book.